morning, guys. I have a very big update to share with you today. As most of you guys know, I already had an apartment before I came to Barcelona that I was planning on living in with a bunch of other roommates. And yesterday I stopped by the apartment to check out my room and to check out the place, and it wasn't good. The actual apartment itself was so beautiful, but it was so unmaintained. There was mold, there were things falling just apart, and it smelled so bad in my room that when I stepped in there, I was like, there's no way they can even make this livable. I'm waiting for my money to be refunded, and in the meantime, I'm going apartment hunting, so I definitely was not expecting to film this video today, but you know, life happens. So I'm actually really excited because we have a few different appointments lined up today. We have a lot of apartments that we're looking at this morning that a different agent from a different rental company sent us. So we're gonna look over all the options, decide what we want to see today. I'm meeting up with some of my roommates this morning. We're gonna get brunch, and then we are going to our first appointment to check out an apartment. So I'm gonna vlog everything for you guys today. Wish us luck. I hope we find something good. Anything would be better than the previous apartment because that was just so wrong of a company to even let someone move into an apartment in that condition. Hopefully everything will work out, and let's go apartment hunting. Off to our first apartment. I'm very excited. We're in our first apartment, you guys, and we are in love. I'm standing in a bathroom that's outdoors. Oh, so nice. But it's private. Okay, so I'm in the apartment. This is the door to enter, but you have interior rooms on these sides. You have two balcony rooms on this side, which are both quite nice, but this thing doesn't fit in that corner, which is a little sad, but it's okay. I think I see this room being my room if I had to pick. Why are you staring out the window? Hi, you guys. So we have had quite the day. It is like actually insane. I can't even begin to describe it. But we saw the first apartment, we fell in love with it, we were like, let's book it, and then we were like having second thoughts, and we were like, certain aspects of the building and the amenities aren't like so good for the price. So then we were like, okay, maybe we should keep looking, and then we just looked at the second apartment, and we found a couple units in it that we really liked. We're trying to decide which one, so now we're sitting here, and we think we've decided on a specific apartment. It has like so many amenities. Hopefully this one works out. If so, I'm excited to give you guys a tour. I think you can hear my IKEA hold music, but good morning, guys. I am standing in my new room in my apartment, finally. So huge update. We got the apartment that we really loved yesterday. They actually let us move in all of our suitcases and stuff yesterday night, which is what you guys just saw in the last clip. And that was literally yesterday. And I'm not gonna show you guys my room yet because it's just covered in suitcases, and I'm excited to do like a full apartment tour and show you guys everything. But we are going to breakfast right now, and then we are gonna go to IKEA because this apartment doesn't come with desks. So I'm gonna get a desk. I'm also gonna get like a closet, I think, for my clothes because it comes with a chest of drawers, but I wanna get like a full like wardrobe. But I don't know if I can build that on my own. And I also originally ordered a nightstand and a balcony table for my old apartment, and it's getting delivered to my old apartment literally like today. I tried to cancel it like a billion times and it just didn't go through, so I'm on hold with the customer service and hopefully they'll answer soon. But I'm so excited to really make this place a home. I'm a little stressed because I have a lot of unpacking to do and I have a lot of stuff to buy and build at IKEA, so today is gonna be like the craziest day ever. But I love my room and it's like the perfect color scheme. As you can see, it's like white and cream and taupey, and I have wooden floors. I have my own balcony. It really is perfect and I just can't wait to show you guys. But for now, we are gonna go to breakfast and then IKEA, and that's the plan. I wanted to film a tour for you guys. So when you first walk in, what you see is our dining room area. We have some cute chairs and it's just like a nice glass table. And if you go to this room right here, we have the kitchen. It is like the nicest kitchen. It's so big. It has a coffee machine, it has like a water water heater, oven, microwave, huge fridge, dishwasher, so much cabinet space, so it's gonna be insane. So I love it. And if you go down this hallway, it is the other bathroom and a bedroom and another bathroom, and my side is on this side, so I'll show you guys my side of the apartment. This is the living room. It is so nice. Have a little TV console, which is really cute. These little couch chairs are like reclinable, and we have a huge mirror. And then if you go down this hallway, there's one bedroom on the right, and then here's my bedroom. It's the one on the left. It's such a disaster, so please don't judge it, because I have this thing that I'm planning on moving, these boxes I'm planning on taking out. This nightstand is probably gonna go on the other side of the bed because I'm gonna center the bed on the wall, and then I wanna put a desk in this corner, a closet, a mirror. So it's totally not like anywhere near done yet. This is just like all of my stuff that's been at Julian's apartment, and we have 2 of his suitcases to help me carry some like kitchen stuff that we're gonna send back to his apartment. When I unpack everything, I have my pillows and everything. And this is just where I slept last night. So messy because I'm gonna change the sheets. I'm gonna get one big sheet. I'm gonna get like a mattress topper so that it's like one bed and not like the 2 pushed together. But it's so cute, and the walls are like really pretty. I love the little accent wall, and I'm really excited. So that is the tour so far. I know it's quite messy, but I am excited to start unpacking everything and show you guys what I get from IKEA. I'm looking for a closet for my clothes, and I don't want anything too big, so I think this is my favorite so far because it's only $89. It has some shelves. I could put my shoes in one bottom rack or in this type of thing. So yeah, this is my #1 contender, but I'm a little terrified that I won't know how to build this, so I'm a little scared. We're in the IKEA warehouse now. I'm getting a mirror, a desk chair, and a closet, which is so much stuff, and I literally have not built furniture ever in my life. We're making good progress, but it's already like 2 p.m. so I'm hoping that we can get home, start building stuff, because I didn't eat lunch today. I just had the brunch and I'm so hungry, so I'll update you guys when we find more stuff and we're going home. This is all we have to lug to the apartment. We all have literally so much stuff. I have my dresser, my mirror, my desk chair, and that's everything. So we've made a lot of good progress, and now we are checking out. Okay, so I'm back home and I have to update you guys because it's a little crazy. My roommates are coming back with all the furniture in like a big transportation vehicle, but there was only room for 2 of them, so I took a taxi back. So I'm back a little bit sooner. I think they'll be here in like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna really quickly make sure all my suitcases are zipped up out of the way. I might even move them out of the room for the time being because I have so much furniture that I need to build. I'm gonna try and move out this dresser. And with these, I'm hoping to be able to just unscrew them because it just looks like they're screwed in. I'm gonna move all my suitcases, I think, just like outside of my room so that I have space to build. Okay, we made it. Everything is upstairs. This is my dresser. These are the legs for my desk. This is my top of my desk chair, and then the legs for the chair, my mirror, and then I have this little shelf that I got at the last trip to IKEA. And in my suitcases, which I moved all of my suitcases out of the room, I think I'm gonna start with something easy like my desk, then my desk chair, and then I think this big dresser will be the last. We have some very exciting updates. This is the closet so far. I'm so grateful that Julian's here because I couldn't do this. I can't even build my chair. We took the boxes down. As you can see, there's not paint there, so that's where I'm putting my wardrobe to cover it. Then my mirror is gonna go here, and then my desk is actually gonna go on this wall. And what I'm thinking for my bed, please ignore the workstation right now, is that I'm thinking about centering the bed on the wall actually, and then putting a nightstand on either side. And here are the boxes that were on the wall. I'm thinking about using them for like, I don't know, like some storage near my desk, maybe something like that. But overall, making good progress. The dresser is complete. I'll show you guys the inside really quick. Little shelves, and then a long side on this side. And then we also have the desk in here. I think this is where I'm gonna put it next to my window. And then this corner will be for like my laundry basket maybe, and my yoga mat and stuff. This is going, and then we have our mirror here, which I think will go here when that thing is moved out. I think that will look good. Latest update, I built this chair, and I'm so proud of it because I'm so bad at building things. It looks so cute. It has like a little crisscross pattern, and what's funny is that it matches the trim color of the wood perfectly. Like, as you can see, the color of this door and then this is like the same, and it just looks like it goes with the apartment so well. And so this is my little desk area. The chair can like scoot underneath perfectly. I'm obsessed with this workspace. I have a little oak colored mirror that's gonna go on the top like as a vanity situation. And now I just have to move this and get rid of all of this, and then center my bed on the wall, and then put this nightstand over there. We're making progress. It's literally like, I don't even know, 10 p.m. Haven't had dinner yet. Yeah, kind of night that we're having. Hi guys, update to the vlog. I'm here with Mariana, and we are, wait, guys, she's also a YouTuber.
Of course she's one.
Yes, you have to check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. It's been so much fun having a roommate vlogger on this whole semester. So right now we're sitting outside an Italian restaurant.
It's 11 o'clock.
That's not a joke. We've literally been moving all night. We're really excited to eat. We just got some glasses of wine. Rosé. Oh my god, this is the most like Spanish experience yet. Gracias. And gracias a ti for helping me build my thing. Salud. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be really quiet to end off the vlog. It's literally like 3 o'clock in the morning. I brought my suitcases back in the bedroom, and I also moved my bed. I have a total mess, so please excuse that. But my room is coming together. It looks so good. I have so much to set up tomorrow, so much to unpack, but it looks amazing. And I'm going to do all of my unpacking and organizing, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll talk to you soon.